Hi guys, welcome to the new video. It's actually the series of creating a website using Odoo website builder in Odoo 15. In my previous videos, I have already told you how to install Odoo 15, how to install Visual Studio Code, how to create a website, and how to do all the basic settings, and how we can use the banner block. I have already told you there are 4 kinds of blocks. So today I will tell you to the next cover block, how we can use the cover block. So let's start. So this is the website we have made up till now. Let me just show you the applications first. And I want to talk about that before starting your work in website building, you must do the debugger mode. You must start the debug mode. How you can do that? You can either install extension. You can install extension on Google Chrome, or you can either install any extension for other browser, or you can just write here debug mode. If we just get out of debug mode and go back in, you can see here question mark debug is equal to 1. So you can write here in the browser after web, and your debug mode will be activated. So let's start where we just stopped in the last video. We can go in our website. Once we go in our website, we can click in edit, but before clicking edit, we can just go on the page where we want to start our work. So basically we have all these pages. So let's talk that we want to use our cover block in the home page. So as you can see, we are on home page at the moment. You can click edit. After clicking edit, we can see our menu here on right hand side. And as you can see, we have already discussed in last video about banner block. Today we will discuss about cover block. So before using cover block, I want to tell you that cover block is a type of design tool that you can use during website building to add a catchy cover to the web page. The cover block option will provide provisional space in which you assign a catchy title to the website and can be placed at the top of the web page to be displayed upon the visitor's entry into the website. The cover block functionality will provide you with the content details for the company. In addition, the contact details can be provided on an external or separate web page, and the link to the respective web page can be displayed here. The cover block can be found under the structure block description of the edit menu and is accessible from the front end of the platform, which I have already shown you. So if I just drag the banner block here, so this is actually the banner block which we have already discussed in our last video. But when I drag the cover block here, you can see this is cover block, and it actually depends on our theme which we have already selected. But I have selected a cars theme, so basically that's why this image is here. We can also change the image. You can easily drag and drop the block to the web page to add it to the design. Note that its appearance will be based on the theme selected, as I have already told you, and the color coordination will also be displayed accordingly. But it doesn't mean you cannot do anything. You can change the picture, you can change the text, you can change all the things which you can see here. You can provide a title for the cover block and allocate a description to it, like this. If you can select it here, so you can just give any title. So I've just given the new, we can just say here Mercedes Benz, anything, and you can just say anything here. So I've just written, or it's by default, so you can just use anything here, and you can also add other titles as well. So by selecting it here, you get a whole bunch of options on your right hand side. You can change the content width by, you can just look at, by placing the cursor here, it will tell you how it will look like. In the way I'm just moving the scroller here. In height, if you see auto, 50%, 100%, anything you want. And in inline text here, you can just add anything here. So it's heading 2, heading 3, whatever. But at the moment, I just added the header 1. And you can just move it how you like. Moreover, there is a smart button option here as well. To change the description of this smart button, you can double click here, and this smart button can be used to direct the visitor to a separate page containing specific details. Usually this type of page is used to provide the contact details of the company, or it can be set up as an inquiry form to allow customers to share their concerns or feedback. Alternatively, it can be any specific page that the company wishes the customer to be directed to. By double clicking on this icon, you will be presented with an editing menu where you can just change, or it's just like that. It's contact us, if you can see here. So you can just change the description here, whatever you want to write here. Then in contact us, you can just, when I click here, you can see, you can just change the link here. So whatever link or page you want to direct from here, you can see the options here. So the first option, copy link, you can copy link. Edit link, if I click edit, then it means we can just edit the link wherever we want to direct from here, and we can also remove link. The cover block is a basic block operation, and its option and style menu settings can be configured in a similar way to the banner block. If you have any concerns regarding it, you can refer to the banner block section, and you can also browse by yourself here and just use these options to just see how you can use according to your requirements and how you like your cover block be like. Okay guys, so this is for cover block. So I discard the changes which I have made. So I just talk with you about text image block, the third one. If I click edit again, you can see here the text image block now. The text image block design is useful for inserting text content along with an image into the web page. This is one of the most used designs and can be widely seen on websites. In the Odoo website builder, the block is the third in the list of structure blocks as I have just shown you, because the text image block brings a kind of structure to the website. It is classified under the structure block category. Once the block icon is selected, it can be dragged into the web page and dropped in the required location. The design of the text image block contains two sections that are configured to include a text description and image placement. Both of these can be edited and removed when needed. In addition, you can also add sections to the respective block as per your requirements. So I show you how to place text image block. So if you drag text image block just under this cover block, so as you can see here, so on one side text, and on other side, on right hand side, you can see the image. So if I just place my cursor here and click, so by doing that, you can change the text here, you can change the heading here, you can change this heading, And if I click my icon on my cursor here, by doing that, the image will be selected. So you can drag or drop, or you can just set the width and height of the image. And if you want to change this image, you can do by double clicking here, and this is the gallery here. So you can choose any image from here, or if you don't have image in this library, you can upload an image here, and then by doing that, you can select that image that will be here. Cool, isn't it? Okay, and the third thing, but not least, is the smart button option. As I have already told you, you must be very familiar with that. If you double click here, or just choose and click, you can see here, you can just change the text here, and you can edit the link here by clicking it here. Or if you click edit here, on your right hand side, you can just write or direct the page name where you want to direct your user from your website to. So you can do that. There are a bunch of options in style menu which you can use. If you don't want to give link for the smart button, you can also give an email as well. So basically that will take your user to that email address. Additionally, the icon type, size, and style can be specified. All the configuration options and styles regarding this block operation are similar to that the banner block and cover block as well. All the options are same. You can refer it to gain a clear understanding of it at the same time. So yeah, this is about the text image block. In my next video, I will discuss about image text block, and after that, I will also talk about title block and the block. So if I just discard it from here and I click on edit, so in my next video, I will hopefully talk about image text block, title block, and text block. So thank you very much. If you like this video, just like your channel, subscribe this channel, and yeah, thank you so much for your